Hello, good morning my lovely friends. Hope you are very well. In this video we are going to talk about a lovely weekend we had in Coventry. Jenny and I went in Coventry last week for a birthday party. We had an amazing time. We met lovely people, two different garden parties with two amazing barbecues with lovely food. I'm happy to have in my channel my very special guest for this week. He is my special guest. Hello, say hello to the camera. Hello. What's your name?
Hello.
How old are you?
3.
3 years old. Good boy, good boy.
And it was all gone, so there's no roof anymore or anything. So nice.
Here I am inside the cathedral here in Coventry, but as you can see the ceiling is missing and also many other parts of the church are missing. The reason is because the church was bombed during the Second World War. Well, and this is how it is now. It's an amazing place for inspiration and meditation.
Where do you want to go, Henry?
Okay, and now from the old cathedral we are going to see the new one.
L'ingresso con gli angeli.
di sera.
What should we put? What should we put on the telly?
Wimbledon.
Wimbledon. Nah. Yes.
Oh, hello.
And this
Ciao. How are you?
I'm very well. How are you?
I'm okay. Yeah, I'm okay.
Hello, Roxy. How are you?
Hello.
Long time.
It is a long time.
Long time.
Where's Louisa? Where's Mummy?
and
Panda. All right, it's not
The best
panda.
one, okay.
Panda. Mickey Mouse.
it's now.
And this one?
It's a piggle.
You need
Questo è l'unico sino dal 1976.
Fire
più di 40 anni.
Look how nice and juicy are these burgers. Yeah? That's a British style barbecue. What's in it? Pepper, onion,
Corretto.
gorgia, and yeah, chicken meat. So the chef is Franco, eh? Very good chef. Okay, so the burgers are ready, the kebab are ready.
No.
They looks like really nice and juicy.
Gonna take that and put it on the table, put these on.
Yeah.
We went to last year. What was it called?
So yeah, we are ready. Jenny, would you like some chili sauce?
No, è piccante.
Io adesso mi preparo il panino, ci metto quello che voglio dentro e enjoy. And now, after lunch, the final Italian touch, a lovely espresso.
Si arriva. Si ritorna.
Ciao, it's time to go.
Non lo so qual è il vostro.
Thanks for watching and see you next time. Feel free to comment. If you like the video, give me a big thumbs up. Enjoy.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Molto bene.
Molto bene. Bravissimo.
Robert mio.
So here